home. In front of me I have Fossil Q Wonder, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications on this watch. To enable the phone notifications on this watch, first thing we need to do is to enable a couple of permissions for the Wear OS app on the phone that is paired with our watch. So I'm gonna press and hold on the Wear OS application icon. Oh, my bad, let's go back. Press and hold on the icon, then tap on the information button to open the app info menu. Here I'm gonna tap on permissions, and I'm gonna allow a couple of permissions. First, I'm gonna allow call logs. So if you want to get the notifications about calls, you need to enable call logs, contacts, I believe, phone, and if you want to get the notifications about the messages, you need to enable the SMS, or rather allow the permission for it. Okay, once you allow the permissions, go back, open the settings on your phone. In settings you can tap on search, or simply scroll down, tap on apps and notifications, tap on advanced, scroll down, tap on special app access, select notification access, and here you should see the Wear OS application on the list. Basically we need to allow the notification access for the Wear OS app. So let's tap on Wear OS, tap on the switch, tap allow, and once this is enabled, we can go back to the home screen. Okay, so we enabled the, or rather allowed the notification access and allowed the rest of the permissions. So now let's open the Wear OS app on our phone. In the app you should see this page for the Q Wonder. Scroll down, tap on the notifications. And here we have a couple options: silence phone while wearing watch and change watch notifications. If you tap on silence phone while wearing watch, here you can basically enable a couple things. You can enable to silence the call, incoming calls, and incoming alerts and notifications. So basically, if you're wearing your watch and enable these options, the calls will be silenced on your phone, and the alerts and notifications also will be silenced on your phone. So you won't get the sound notifications on your phone, but you will get the notifications on your watch. Okay. And to customize the notifications, simply select the option called Change Watch Notifications. And here we have a list of apps installed on our phone, and we can enable or disable the notifications for each app separately, basically by tapping the switch next to one. So let's say you want to enable the notifications for Chrome, you just tap the switch to enable it, or disable it, tap it again. Okay. Once you're done customizing your notification settings, you should be good basically to go. And we're gonna test it, so I'm gonna open this app. This app basically generates fake notifications on your phone. I'm gonna generate one, and I got the notification on my phone and also got the notification on my watch, as you can see. And as you can see, it's working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.